I wash the fruit. I wash the fruit. I dry the fruits. I dry the fruits. I choose the ripest apple. I choose the ripest apple. I cut the apple. I cut the apple. I remove the apple seeds. I remove the apple seeds. I open a pomegranate. I open a pomegranate. I smell the fruit. I smell the fruit. I check if the mango is ripe. I check if the mango is ripe. I remove the mango pit. I remove the mango pit. I remove the grapes from the bunch. I remove the grapes from the bunch. I remove the strawberry tops. I remove the strawberry tops. I put the fruit in a bowl. I put the fruit in a bowl. I pour some orange juice. I pour some orange juice. I drink the juice through a straw. I drink the juice through a straw.